Hey guys, doing a quick video of the Ninja everybody keeps asking for. So it's a Crete body, J Concepts Crete body, Proline trenchers, Predator compound, Team Garage Shack wheels. The back are aluminum, the front has the steel ring in it. As a Power Hobby 4S servo, I'm running it on 3S. Holmes Hobby Revolver 1800 kV, a 3S 500 milliamp battery. I made a little styrene strap, some what else? Oh yeah, the Holmes Hobby ProMaster V2 ESC. So I tucked it underneath the drive shaft, and I made a styrene plate so it holds it on. Doesn't hit the drive shaft or nothing. I added a magnesium brace, kind of stiffening it up a little bit. Back here has the who makes this brace? The titanium one. G-Speed. A custom link riser I made back here. So I have another one coming from Shapeways I kind of designed, so kind of just rigged something up. F10 axles, pretty simple. My receiver is mounted underneath this front plate. What else? Oh, I have this shaft I kind of got from the Lux Fab. It's a titanium shaft, and it comes out longer, so when it came out longer, it kind of clears underneath a whole lot better. See it than the stock shaft, so I had to do a little modifications to get that to work. I'm using rubber bands to kind of keep the front compressed a little bit, and yeah, links. Oh, so I hear a lot of comments about how do I get this front plate to mount up with the panhard. So you have to cut the side piece off on this side. That's how I got it. As you can see inside, you got the little nuts. Barely fit, but they fit. Oh, I'm running Deluxe Fab shocks. So I think the front are 90 millimeters, the back are 80. I think I'm gonna go with the back with 90. I'm still, working on that. And yeah, I started adding a whole bunch of titanium screws, kind of lighten it up. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, pretty simple design, and love the Ninja. Oh, and I added beef patties to the front to give it a little bit more weight in the front. Other than that, it's holding up really well. Any questions, let me know.